Virtual tours are great, but renters still want to see a home before they rent it. Yet over 30% of prospects who stop by a leasing office find it closed, and 4 in 10 renters have passed on a property because they couldn't find time to tour the home. It's time for a new solution. Self-guided tours from Point Central allow prospective renters to visit a property at their own pace on their own time. This increases showing hours, shortens vacancy periods, and saves you money. Here's how it works. A prospective renter finds your listing online, clicks the self-tour option, and chooses a time and date that works best for them. The renter receives an email confirmation with a temporary access code for the front door. Unlike other self-tour services, we don't show prospects any other available properties in the area, allowing you to keep your leads. The prospective renter arrives, enters their unique code, and views the property at their leisure. No need for compatible Bluetooth devices. No need to download a new app. Easy to install and remove still shot cameras can help encourage good behavior by capturing pictures of prospective residents as they enter. When the renter is finished viewing the property, the door automatically locks and the temporary passcode is deleted. And you can stay aware with notifications for when the property has been accessed. Optionally, a survey can be sent to the prospective residents post-tour. Self-guided tours enable you to offer more showings and empower leasing agents to focus on closing the lease. During all of this, the smart thermostat keeps the vacant property at a comfortable temperature without wasting energy. Sensors throughout the home make sure the humidity is low to prevent mold growth, and that there are no leaks from major appliances. All of this data flows to and from the rental property over a private, secure cellular network, so no need to pay for and manage Wi-Fi in vacant homes. When the resident signs a lease, all of these devices transform into smart home services, which continue to protect the property and provide an in-demand amenity. Want to learn more? Visit pointcentral.com.